Today we are making one of my favorite steak recipes. We are making steak frites with the most delicious creamy mushroom sauce.
Phenomenal.
Start by prepping the fries first because they take the longest. So take a couple of russet potatoes, cut them into fries, give them a good soak in some cold water. This releases excess starch, which makes them extra crispy in the oven. The other thing that will make them extra crispy is to dry them off really well with a kitchen towel. Then we're gonna move on to making the mushroom sauce. It's super simple. Saute a couple of varieties of mushrooms down in some olive oil with a little bit of shallot and then deglaze with some sherry. We added in a little bit of fresh thyme as well, and then a whole tub of creme fraiche because this is not a place to skimp. There are 3 important steps to create a really crisp crust on your steak, and the first is patting it dry with paper towels to soak up any excess moisture. And then you're also going to want to season it really well with some kosher salt. Not only does it season it, but it also creates a little bit of a crust on the outside of the steak. And the third is to place it in a preheated skillet, cast iron skillet preferably. That ripping hot skillet will create the most delicious, beautiful crust on the steak. While the steak rests, toss the fries with some sea salt and vinegar seasoning, and then it's time to assemble. Slice the rested steak into thick slices, and then arrange that on a plate with your frites, and top it off with that creamy mushroom sauce. For a pop of green, I like to finish this off with some fresh thyme, though fresh parsley would also be great, and then a crack of black pepper.